are rising slowly in Los Angeles County, and more infections are creeping into classrooms. Public health officials are now reporting more than a dozen outbreaks at K through 12 schools. It's the largest increase in schools since the Omicron virus.
NBC4's Lauren Coronado is live in Southgate, where a vaccine clinic for students just wrapped up about an hour ago. Lauren.
Chuck, Kathy, there was a steady number of students who came by to get vaccinated. Now, a pediatrician I spoke with tells me he hopes events like this really help slow the spread of the virus, especially in these classroom settings.
There's a new COVID, so I don't want to catch that. And plus, the vaccine could be more helpful for me.
It's very likely that BA.2 is now the predominant subvariant in LA County.
16 outbreaks at TK through 12 schools, 14 of them in the classroom setting, including 12 elementary and 2 high school classrooms, according to county data.
We've more than tripled the number of new outbreaks at schools this past week, and we're seeing similar numbers of outbreaks to what we experienced during the Omicron surge.
Public Health Director Barbara Ferrer pointing at the lifted mask mandate and relaxed quarantine guidelines.
And if children are vaccinated, we just know they are so much safer here.
Marnie Kislinger is the principal at Aspire Firestone Academy in Southgate, partnering with Ultimate Health to host a vaccine clinic on campus. She says there hasn't been a COVID-19 case at her school in weeks, but hearing about outbreaks at other LA County schools has her on high alert.
But the complication rates are still something that we need to be talking about.
Ultimate pediatrician Dr. Elon Shapiro stressing the importance behind vaccines.
We are seeing more cases, especially in my clinic, that we're seeing something called prolonged COVID in kids. Headaches, migraines, problems with their heart.
And we want them here. We want them to stay in school. We don't want them to quarantine at home anymore. We know that they will learn better here.
Public health leaders say if COVID-19 cases continue to increase, they're going to go ahead and reassess health safety measures here on campus. But there is some good news. The number of hospitalizations and deaths are trending down across the county. Reporting live in Southgate, I'm Lauren Coronado, NBC4 News.
Thank you, Lauren. Well, the confirmation